Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss BSC meme season turn 1 USDT into a big reward. Mark the calendar, check the dates. This season is going to be started on 13th of October 2025 and it is going to be ending on 20th of October 2025. Here you can check out the dates. So dear viewers, this amazing season is bringing so many opportunities in it. We will discuss one by one, but first of all here I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Crypto Gladiator, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Let me clear that this video is being made only for informational and educational purpose. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. Let's discuss today's event. Turn 1 USDT into 10 rewards. What makes weeks difference? Most exchanges claim you can start small, but orders size limits make it nearly impossible. Weeks actually lets you open a real future position with just 1 USDT thanks to its smart leverage system. Here we will discuss it, how it works. If your balance is under 10 USDT, weeks automatically recommends 20x leverage. That means 1 USDT is equal to 20 USDT position value, allowing you to feel real market movement while keeping risk small and manageable. So join with 1 USDT and trade more than 10 USDT in the designated tokens. To qualify, 2000 users will win a 10 USDT future bonus or coupon, and winners will be randomly selected from the first 5000 users designated tokens. You can check here, and now we will here is the link to trade it, and now we will discuss it. So here you can check out the Giggle USDT trading pair. Dear viewers, the trading analysis of the Giggle USDT on the week's exchange shows that the asset is experiencing a significant price surge with a remarkable, and it is now showing 8.17%. So here you can check out the price surge, 8.17% increase over 25 hours. The price is currently 127.27 US dollars, and following a sharp uptrend on the chart. Here you can check out the chart. It is showing, you can see that it is showing uptrend, and key metrics include a 24-hour high. Here you can check out the 24-hour high, that is showing 133.6%, and the 24 hours low is 112.72%, and the mark price is 127.31. And you can also check out that it sustained 24-hour trading volume over 1.2 million USDT. The high funding rate and the options for 20-time leverages indicate a highly bullish and aggressive trading environment for the Giggle USDT, making it a standout performer compared to other declining crypto assets shown on the screen. So here you can also check out further details. Now we will discuss further details, and here is the event 2 daily check-in bonus. Make at least one future trade 10 USDT or more with the designated tokens each day to qualify for the rewards. Cumulative trading days 3, reward will be 5 for 10 and 5 for 20, and the prize pool will be comprised of 20,000 USDT. And the next event is future trading challenge. You can trade futures with the feature token during the event and hit volume targets to claim rewards. Cumulative feature volume is 500, reward will be 5 USDT, and if it goes to 10,000, reward will be 20. Price pool is 40,000 USDT. Dear viewers, here is the invite friends, earn up to 1000 USDT per person. You can invite your friends and family. For each invited friends who deposit more than 100 USDT and complete both task 1 and task 2, you will receive 10 USDT. You can check out further details. And here are the detail of the event rules. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out. And here you can also check out the Kickstarter your trading journey with 30,000 USDT. You can check new user rewards, you can check invite friends, you can check future transfers, and you can check future tradings. So all details have been provided, and you can also check out future trading details. Here you can check out reward complete future trading task to earn up to 19050 USDT, 19,050 USDT. Reward 1 is 5 USDT, reward 2 is 15 USDT, reward 3 is 80 USDT, and reward 4 is 100 USDT, and the next reward is 150 USDT. So you can sign up on weeks and be part of this reward system. And here is the WWFC win a share of 1.5 million US dollars. So dear viewers, here you can check the welcome bonus up to 30,000 USDT. WWFC season 3 share a 1.5 million USDT and win iPhone 17. And here is the reward centers. You can be part of this, and you can also check out the details about WXT to enjoy exclusive benefits. You can check out details, claim token, airdrops. You can also check out APY. You can also upgrade your VIP status, and you can be part of 20% elite traders enjoy up to 20% profit sharing. So this is amazing event, and I think all the users must be part of this. The link has been given in the description of the video. Dear viewers, here you can check out that Weeks is providing you amazing features. Now it gets even more exciting. Join the BSC meme seasons on Weeks and take part in 1 USDT challenge where trading meme tokens can bring up to 1000 rewards. Plus the welcome bonus program gives you WXT or USDT rewards just for joining and completing a few simple tasks. It's safe, easy, and fun way to learn future trading while discovering Week's beginners friendly interface and deep liquidity. Click the official link below given in the description, register through my invitation link, and start your very first 1 USDT future trade today. Here you can check out and experience how simple and practical future trading can be on Weeks, a platform built for everyone. And that's the 1 USDT challenge, proof that you don't need a big balance to start learning futures. If you enjoyed this short educational review, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more crypto insights right here on my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay informed and trade smart and enjoy the journey. Goodbye.